Okay, we are started doing 7 marks questions, sir. So different problems will be there. Okay, today what we are going to say is also very important. Find the circumcenter of a triangle with 1, 0, minus 1, 2, 3, 2 as vertices. Okay, I will be doing 3 problems of this nature, sir. 1, 0, minus 1, 2, 3, 2 as vertices. Okay, solution. What do you mean by circumcenter? This is the center of the circle. I am just giving you an example. So if I say S is the circumcenter A, B, C, all this will be equal. This center will be equidistant from the vertices of a triangle. This circumcenter will be equidistant from all the vertices. So SA is equal to SB is equal to SC, where circumcenter is x comma y is the circumcenter. This is a concept. Okay, SA is equal to SB is equal to SC. So what is A point? 1, 0. What is the B point? Minus 1, 2. C point? 3, 2. I will consider SA is equal to SB. Okay, so what is SA? What is S point we have considered? X comma y. So SA means distance formula, x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. Okay, square is equal to root of SB means what, sir? X plus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. So you have found the distance. The square roots will get cancelled. Both the sides square root. Expand this, sir. X square minus 2x plus 1 y square. Here also x square plus 2x plus 1 y square minus 4y plus 4. So I expanded. Here x square is there, here y square is there. These two will get cancelled. Both the sides same are there. So what do we get? Minus 2x plus 1. Here what is the left over, sir? 2x plus 1 minus 4y plus 4. So bring the term this side. So minus 2x plus 1 minus 2x minus 1 plus 4y minus 4 is equal to 0. So this will become minus 4x plus 4y plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. Minus 4 is equal to 0. Cancel with the minus 4 table. X minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Cancel by minus 4. So this is the first equation. Right, what I have done, SA is equal to SB. Next, I will consider SA is equal to SC. You can consider SB is equal to SC, anything we can consider. So I am considering SA is equal to SC. So what will happen? Root of x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square root of SC. What is SC? X minus 3 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. Again square roots will get cancelled. So x square minus 2x plus 1 y square is equal to x square minus 6x plus 9 y square minus 4y plus 4. X square y square is equal to minus 6x. Here 9 plus 4 13 we can write. Okay, 9 plus 4 13. Right? Now bring the term this side. Minus 2x plus 1 plus 6x plus 4y minus 13 is equal to 0. So 6x minus 2x 4x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. 1 minus 13. Cancel with the 4 table. X plus y minus 3 is equal to second. You got first equation, second equation. Again. So I am writing here again. 0 0. Again x, y, 1. Cross multiplication method. We have done so many problems. That's why I said this method is very, very important. Minus 1, 1, 1, minus 1. 1, minus 3, 1, 1. So x by 3 minus 1. Y by 1 plus 3 is equal to 1 by 1 plus 1. Minus 1 into minus 3, 3. 1 into 1, 1. Then y by 1 minus of minus is plus. 1 minus of minus is plus. Is equal to 1 by 2. So x is equal to 2 by 2. Y is equal to 4 by 2. So x is equal to 1. Y is equal to 2. So what is the circumcenter? 1 comma 2. So here SA is equal to SB is equal to SC. Okay. Please note down. This is 7 marks, sir. Okay, next. Minus 2 comma 3. 2 comma minus 1. 4 comma 0. Okay, these are very, very important. Again, same concept. SA is equal to, what is the A point? Minus 2 comma 3, B point. And S is x comma y. SA is equal to SB. Is equal to root of x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 1 whole square. Okay. So square roots will get cancelled, expand. Plus again x square minus 4x plus 4 y square plus 2y plus 1 x square y square x square y square. So this becomes 4x minus 6y 9 plus 4 13. Here also minus 4x then plus 2y plus 5. Bring that down this side. Plus 4x minus 5. So 4x plus 4x 8x. 6y minus 8y plus 8 is equal to 0. First equation. Cancel by 8. Right, next. Again, SA is equal to SC. SA is equal to SC. Means what? SA is x plus 2 whole square, y minus 3 whole square is equal to root of SC means what, sir? X minus 4 whole square, y minus 0 whole square. Square roots will get cancelled. X square plus 4x plus 4, y square minus 6y plus 9. Here plus 16 plus y square. Again x square y square, x square y square. Okay, so 4x minus 6y plus 13 is equal to minus 8x plus 16. Bring that down this side. 4x minus 6y plus 13 plus 8x minus 16. So 4x plus 8x 12x minus 6y minus 3 is equal to 0. Cancel with the 3 table. 4x minus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. Second equation. We got first equation, we got second equation. Therefore, first equation, second equation. X, y, 1, x. So here, minus 1, 1, 1, minus 1. Right, next. Minus 2, minus 1, 4, minus 2. X by 1, minus of minus 2, plus 2. Minus 1 into minus 1, plus 1. Minus of minus 2, plus 2. Y by 1 minus 4 minus 4 plus 1. 1 into 4, 4. Minus of minus plus. Here 1 by minus 2 plus 4. So x by 3, y by 5 is equal to 1 by 2 because 4 minus 2. X is equal to 3 by 2, y is equal to 5 by 2. So what is the circumcenter? 3 by 2 comma 5 by 2. So here fractions also can come. So in this problem fractions is coming. Same procedure. Okay, let us do one more problem. So 1 comma 3, 0 comma 2, minus 3 comma 1. Okay, so again SA is equal to, what is the A point? 1 comma 3, B point, 0 comma 2, C point, minus 3 comma 1. What is the S point? X comma Y. Again SA is equal to SB. So root of x minus 1 whole square, y minus 3 whole square is equal to root of x minus 0 whole square, y minus 2 whole square. Square roots will get cancelled. Is equal to 4. Again x square y square minus 2x minus 6y 1 plus 9 10 is equal to minus 4y plus 4. Bring the term this side. Plus 4y minus 4 is equal to 0. So this becomes what, sir? Minus 2x minus 6y plus 4y minus 2y. Then plus 6. Cancel with the minus 2 by minus 2. So this becomes x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. Observe here, procedure is same, only numbers are changing. That's why these problems are straightforward, sir. Only you have to write the equations properly. Okay, if you would have been in classroom, you would have got whatever doubts would have been there, that we could have cleared. But anyway, please start doing it, sir. SA is equal to SC. What is SA? X minus 1 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to SC. What is SC? X minus of minus plus 3 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square square root. So square roots will get cancelled. X square minus 2x plus 1, y square minus 6y plus 9. Here x square plus 6x plus 9 plus y square minus 2y plus 1. X square y square plus 10. Okay, here plus 6x minus 2y 9 plus 1 10. Okay, observe here, 10 also will get cancelled. Okay, so what will happen? Bring the term this side. Minus 6x plus 2y is equal to 0. So this becomes minus 8x minus 4y is equal to 0. Minus 8x, if I bring the term this side, it becomes minus 8x minus 4y is equal to 0. Cancel with the minus 4 table, 2x plus y is equal to 0. Second equation. Now observe here, what I am doing is, I am not using the cross multiplication method. From this, y is equal to what? Minus 2x. Okay, direct method, sir. This is very simple, so that's why y is equal to minus 2x. Put in 1. Okay, for only this problem we are using this method, sir. Otherwise, we will not use for any other problem. Because here only two terms are there equal. There is no constant, so directly I am using y is equal to minus 2x. Therefore, put in the first equation x, y is replaced by minus 2x minus 3. So what will happen? Minus x minus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to, so x is equal to minus 3. Therefore, y is equal to what, sir? Minus 2x. Therefore, y is equal to 6. So what is the circumcenter? Minus 3 comma 6. What is circumcenter? Minus 3 comma 6. Okay. Observe here, if you put this value minus 3 comma 6 here, it becomes minus 6 plus 6 0. Again, if you put here minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 minus 6 plus 6, if you substitute s value, it will satisfy. So okay, for this only one problem, I am putting here lines. Only for this problem we are using this method. Otherwise, we have to use cross multiplication method. In circumcenter, these three problems are there. I will give you one problem. Please try yourself. I will give you the answer also. Please start doing it, sir. Find the circumcenter. Find the right. The points are, A point is 1 comma 3, B point is minus 3 comma 5. C point is 5 comma minus 1. I want circumcenter for this. You should get S is what, sir? S's answer is minus 8 10 comma minus 10. This answer you should get. Please try, sir. Okay, use the same concept. SA is equal to SB is equal to SC. SA is equal to SB is equal to SC. Then you cancel x square y square, then you get x and y. Only for this problem like this will come, for other problems it will not come. So you have to use the cross multiplication method. These 4 problems are very very important, sir. Okay, generally circumcenter, orthocenter, put out a perpendicular image, these concept problems, and I have done some 7 marks questions that also will be important. Okay, so please note down this and try that problem. Okay, in the next class we will see circumcenter, one more model that we will see.